Hello everybody, today I would like to share with you a very important difference between practicing singing and actually singing. So when you're singing, when you're actually singing live, when you're singing just under your shower, when you're singing in your car, whatever, you want to be expressive. Like, you don't want to hold back, right? You want to open your mouth, you want to make faces, you want to get into the song, you want to be emotionally attached to whatever it is that you're singing. Well, when you're practicing, doing it the other way around may actually be very beneficial. So if you find that you struggle with strain, that you struggle with tension, that your voice is fatigued after singing just maybe one or two songs, maybe you simply need to let the right muscles take over, because you simply are using too much of your face, of your jaw, of your tongue, of everything else other than the actual muscles that should be involved, the bare minimum muscles that should be involved in making the sound. So what I would recommend for you, and I think this is a very good method of training the voice, is to go in front of a mirror and really make sure that you're not doing anything excessive. Really make the bare minimum movements with your face that you can. So what do I mean? Let's say you're doing a scale. So there's not much going on. You're just doing a scale. Now what you probably notice is that there's not much going on here. I'm not really doing a whole lot. I'm letting the right muscles do the work, and I'm not trying to use anything else. I'm not trying to help myself in any way. If I had a mirror in front of me, I would see that there's not much going on. Doing that allows the right muscles to do the work, instead of having, different muscles, your facial expressions, whatever, interfere and possibly making you strain. What you're going to notice right away when you do this is that you need to allow the sound to go where it wants to go. Because if you do it the expressive way, opening your mouth and all that, it's really possible that you're just trapping the sound inside of your mouth. And you just cannot go any higher with that. So if you don't move excessively and you just keep your face still, and you're not doing anything here as well, you're just sitting or standing still. And remember, as we talked about in a previous video, the notes, the high notes, are always in front of you. You want to grab them. They're never high. You don't think high. You think in front of you. And don't move excessively any of the muscles. Don't tense up. Don't open your mouth too much. Don't do any weird faces. Here everything is just in place. We're just grabbing the notes in front of us and we're just singing them like it's nothing, because we have good technique. And if you have good technique, then everything just becomes so much easier. And I wish you that singing becomes easier and easier and easier for you. I'll see you next time. Subscribe to my channel.